Hello and welcome to this very brief introduction to NGAGE for HighQ. Thomson Reuters HighQ is a collaboration platform that promises great gains in our law firm's client satisfaction, efficiency and knowledge management, but only if it's used well and widely. NGAGE for HighQ is the analytics tool that will help you navigate towards those gains. It gives you unique insights into how well and how widely your clients and practice groups are using it to collaborate. There are key performance indicators and associated trend data for user adoption rates and activity levels that you can quickly scope to any date range, practice or job group or office location, so you can intervene early and accurately where there are problems. And then you can track the effect of those interventions and you can learn what works. NGAGE also provides high-level reporting on the state and evolution of your environment, for example, in terms of site creations and inactive sites. You can get behind all these KPIs to see, for example, how your site templates are being used and by which practice groups. And for each and every site, be they for client matters or internal projects and teams, you can see how activity levels around iSheets, Wikis, tasks and events are trending, and exactly who is contributing. NGAGE also brings strong audit and compliance functionality, so you can know the specific behaviour of any named individual over any period, and who has been inactive. With NGAGE for HighQ, you are never more than a few clicks away from the answers you need. Thank you.